coping and renovation. We have waterline tiles that match a 2-foot retaining wall that's 4 feet away from our pool. The pool itself is completely lined with 1-inch tiles, an expensive job at the time. The 1-inch tiles in the pool are popping due to the age of the pool, but the waterline tiles are fine, and we would prefer to keep these intact when resurfacing the pool. Is it possible to resurface the pool and retain the existing waterline tiles?
So the answer is absolutely. I think if you're looking to resurface, by the term you're saying resurface is you're not going to retile the entire pool, but rather put a plaster finish of some type, whether it's pebble or quartz or marcite. What has to happen is the tile, probably the small tile that are not part of the tile line around the top, probably need to be removed before you plaster over them. I know in some parts of the country and even some parts of the world, they'll tile over tile. In this case, it's not going to work very well. So what would happen is your contractor would need to use a grinder and cut a line below your tile that's around the border to ensure that as they chip off the old tile, they don't chip off the existing beautiful surround tile line that you currently have. So as long as they cut a line below the existing tile before the small tiles start, they should be able to chip that off just fine. And then once that's off, you could resurface with virtually anything you want and just blend it into the original tile. So you definitely could keep the tile.